did we get to this point? Well, it wasn't just by implementing one tip or pushing a magical button, as unfortunately some YouTubers waste their time looking for. It is actually the combination of a lot of things that we need to do to grow on YouTube. All the tips and methods that I share on this channel, in fact, had to be used to get here. And one of the factors that really helped get this channel here is what I'm going to show you right now. Oh, and real quick, for those who've been asking about how I generate automated income right here through YouTube without spending any money on advertising or products, I put a link in the description so you can set that income stream up for yourself as well. And the best part is you don't have to be a YouTube partner to do this. And in fact, you can make way more money doing this than you ever could with the YouTube partnership program. Alright, so for this method, it is something that you can do no matter what niche you're in. We are going to be implementing the use of milestone videos. What I mean by that is there's such a huge portion of people on YouTube that want to grow a YouTube channel themselves. They're not just here to watch YouTube, they want to become YouTubers. That no matter what niche you're in, a large portion of those people viewing your videos will be interested in how to grow on YouTube. Even if your channel is in the gaming niche, the car niche, the fitness niche, doesn't matter. And so what you do is as you're growing your channel, again, no matter what niche it's in, you do these milestone videos where when you reach even a small milestone or goal, you simply post a video about it. It could be as small as, you know, when you got 10 subscribers, your first 10 subscribers, you do a video on how to get your first 10 subscribers or your first 20 or your first 100. And you can do all three of those as you got them. So you got your first 10 subscribers, you do a video on it, what you did to get those subscribers. You reach 20 subscribers, you do a video on it, how you got your first 20 subscribers. You could also do this with views, how you got your first 1,000 views, how you got your first 100 watch hours. So again, you reach those milestones, then you just simply share them with other YouTubers, how you reach those milestones. Then you simply ask them to subscribe, leave a little cliffhanger at the end of the video saying something about, you know, in an upcoming video, I'll show you how a simple trick got me to 1,000 views. And how this works so well is if you are a small YouTuber and you're growing your channel, other small YouTubers will look at you and say, hey, I can do this too. They'll think this must work for small YouTube channels because this other small YouTuber used it and it worked for them. And that's one of the biggest ways I was able to grow as a small YouTuber. I thought, why is anybody going to watch a channel that only has 100 subscribers? So I did videos on how to get your first 100 subscribers, and it worked. And so I just kept doing that over and over periodically throughout the growth of this channel. And it still works to this day. And to help you come up with ideas and to track your milestones for you, you can simply install TubeBuddy for free. It's just a Chrome extension through Google. And watch what happens when I click this. If we open up TubeBuddy, right here you have milestones. So let's click on this. And this constantly updates with all these different milestones you've reached. So, you know, 80 uploads, 7,500 subscribers, 4,000 views, 8,000 subscribers. And it will do this according to your current milestone. So if you were just getting your first 10 subscribers, it would have that in there. Your first 100 subscribers, your first 1,000 views. It's going to constantly update this section here with all these milestones. And if you click on the certificate, it's going to bring that up. And then you can simply incorporate that into your thumbnail. It's really cool. I didn't even know they had this when I first started. I wish I did. It probably would have helped immensely. And again, TubeBuddy is completely free to install. Just Google it. Install it. You'll see the button right up here. Just click on that. Again, come to milestones and start tracking your progress, sharing what you're doing with other people. It gives you upcoming milestones so you can prepare for your next video. So my next video could be how to get 8,500 subscribers once I reach that milestone, how to get 450,000 views, and of course you can use the milestones you've already reached, 425,000 views, 8,000 subscribers, and so on. So trust me, this works. It worked for my channel. It'll work for you. So right now I'm going to wrap this up and I will see you in the next video.